In this video, we're doing a spec comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A01 and the Samsung Galaxy A11. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're doing a spec comparison between the A01 and the A11. These are two new phones to Metro by T-Mobile, and we're going to just break down real quick what are the big differences in case you're in the market for a new phone and you're trying to decide which one is the phone for you. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Software wise, they both came out this year in 2020, so they're both going to have the latest version of Android 10. Screen wise, this is going to be a big differentiator between these two phones. You are getting a 5.7 inch screen on the A01 versus a 6.4 inch screen on the A11. So really that would come down to, for you, are you looking for a larger phone or something that fits better in the hand? And this kind of shows you the difference in terms of the screen. But if you're looking for a big screen phone, obviously the A11 does take it for that category. Moving on to camera, you are getting a better camera on the A11 as well. 8 megapixel front camera with 3 cameras on the back, the main camera being a 13 megapixel rear camera. Moving on to memory, A01 is more of an entry-level phone for beginners, so you are only getting 16 gigs, and of that 16, you will have access to 9.5 gigs. For the A11, it has double the memory at 32 total gigs, and for the user, you're getting 20.3 gigs. So definitely, it does take the category for more storage for sure. Both phones are expandable with a micro SD memory card, so you can add more memory later in the event that's not enough for you. Battery wise, the A11 does have a larger battery, 4,000 milliamp versus 3,000. Both phones are sealed, so you cannot take the battery out, just as an FYI. RAM is going to be the same. They're both going to have 2 gigs. Now, in this video, we are comparing the Metro by T-Mobile variant of the A11. There is another variant of the A11 that does have 3 gigs, but not offered at Metro by T-Mobile. In terms of the weight, the A01 is a much lighter phone than the A11, literally almost 1 ounce lighter. So in case weight plays a factor, you need a phone that is light. That is one big pro of the A01. Now moving on to extra features, you are getting a lot with the A11. You're getting a fingerprint scanner as well as a facial recognition sensor on the front, triple camera setup on the back with 15-watt fast charging and NFC. With the A01, the specs are going to be very basic. Dual camera. You are going to get some basic fast charging, not as fast as the A11, but no fingerprint scanner and no facial recognition. So this has been our breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy A01 and the A11. So you can see these phones are really geared towards 2 different audiences. So you really have to ask yourself, what is more important to you? Are you looking for a larger phone with some extra bells and whistles and storage? Or are you looking for something that's a little bit lighter and a little more basic? I would say the A01 is going to be a great phone for a first-time smartphone user or for those parents looking for a phone to get for their kids. That's going to be a great phone to get there. The A11 is going to be for that person who's ready to step it up and get a slightly better phone, better quality camera, faster charging, and that extra storage. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know which one is better for what you're looking for. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like the video if it was helpful, favorite and share it. And thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.